One list. So this is here bubble shot, selection shot, insertion shot. Just a second. Okay, so you have to make the simple program on bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, right? There is the it is already discussed. It is already you studied in the data structure part. So first of all, make the simple program. जैसे हमने first practical में किया, the same practice we are doing over here also. You have to make the three program in C, C++, Java, with whatever language you want to use it. After that, we are doing the analysis, right? Okay, clear? Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, so do it after complete. Drop the message in chat box. Then we'll do the analysis on that. Okay. Do you all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start with the analysis. So let's talk about the first bubble sort algorithm. Tell me what is the procedure for bubble sort? What is the process for the bubble sort?
મેમ બબલ શોટ એલ્ગોરિધમમાં એવું હોય છે કે જે ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ હોય છે એ નેક્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ જોડે ચેક કરે છે જેનાથી નાનો હોય તો સ્વેપ કરીને પછી એ પ્રોસિજર એ ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ આ કન્ટિન્યુ રાખે છે અને જો નાનો ના હોય તો નેક્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ માટે સર્ચ કરતો રહે છે.
Okay. So if I'm talking about the enter, let's say assume that I have written one program that is I have 5 elements and I'm randomly taking the elements. And after that, I'm putting sorting array before the sorting, after the sorting, and then we'll have to put our counter value, right? So just a second, I'm writing the program in that online debugger. So wait for a 2 minute. I'm opening that. तब तक जिसका बाकी है वो complete कर दो. Online debugger. Yes. आप लोगों ने सब I have found that कि so many students still not have uploaded first practical. So please complete it. जिसने नहीं किया है वो upload कर दो. I'll check that time on a weekly basis, right? So if you not uploaded, so your marks will be cut. So 0 हो जाएंगे फिर. So last May you'll get very less mark, right, for the internal submission. So please make sure every week upload your practical after complete the practical.
ઓકે મેમ.
That is beneficial for you also, right? Easy हो जाएगा आप लोगों को manage करना, ये burden ना लगे फिर last में. माझा નથી એરપોર્ટ રાધિકા પાસે છે બોલવાના હોય તો બંધ કરી દે. So basically, as you know that you have to put the counter value also, right? As whatever we are doing the analysis. So where you want, where you can put the counter value over here. Program में कहाँ पे counter value रखोगे आप? Where you put counter value?
મેમ ઓલો જે સ્વેપિંગ પોર્શન થાય એમાં.
Any other student? Any other students?
At the time of comparison.
Okay. और कुछ? Here we have two different answer. Just a second. Okay, so we have a two different answer. So actually, can we have to initialize counter value in the main part? We need to do this. We need to do this. करना पड़ेगा. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible properly.
Just a second. Now I am audible. Hello. Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I have the integer and the put counter value 0, and I mentioned the counter value over here, right? So let's take some output. I'm not explaining the program, right? So this is the basic thing you have to understand. So let's take a number of elements. I'm taking 5 elements. So array, yeah. Take enter some random elements. I'm putting 12, then 10, 9, and let's take 4. Okay, so this is the array which is before the sorting, which we already put the element, the same which will be copy paste over here. So in the bubble sort, as we need the array in the sorting manner always, as we need the values in sorted always. शॉर्टेड में ही चाहिए हमें, बबल शॉर्ट में। चलो स्पीकअप। क्या हमें ऑलवेज द वैल्यू इन शॉर्टेड ऑर्डर वी नीड इन द बबल शॉर्ट? नो वन इज देयर?
क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आया।
यस पूजन,
आप क्या पूछ रहे हो?
ड्रॉप राइट इन चैट बॉक्स प्लीज। Write in chat box please. What we have to do, always we need the values in the sorting order. In case of the bubble sort, cannot understand. Okay, what I'm saying that here I mention one thing which is array after the sorting manner. I have randomly put the value 10, 12, 10, 9, 16, 4, right? So ऐसा जरूरी है कि bubble sort में array sorting में ही होना चाहिए या unsorted हो तो चलेगा? That's I am asking. Sorted ही चाहिए value या unsorted चलेगी? Identify, that's what we can do in the bubble sort, right? So here the counter value I'll get is 10, right? So you know that how you can get the counter value. Here you has counter value, so you have to identify how many element you have passed. So here I have passed the element as 5 and my counter value is 10. So same thing you have to do, identify to do the 3-4 analysis and then maintain the graph, right? So let's take a, I'm sharing my Excel sheet. Let's see how actually we can work. Yeah. My screen is visible, Excel sheet is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we can do, same thing. Yes, one more thing. Here we can do the analysis in the basically two things: worst case and the base case scenario, right? So let's check the possibility. I'm assume that I'm doing the analysis for the worst case scenario. So first of all, I'm putting the total elements. And the counter value I have. So first of all, I'll just I'm randomly putting. I have 4 elements and I have a 6 counter value for this. I have a 5 elements and for this I have a 10 counter value for this. I'm putting randomly. You have to check that, huh? How many elements and what is the counter value. 6 elements and 15 values are there. Counter value 7 and I'm taking random. Again I'm saying, okay, क्योंकि मैं अभी analysis नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just putting the value. You have to do the check the scenario. Let's take a 45 and 12 है तो I'm taking 65 over here, right? It's a 65. So insert and here I have a graph. See what is the graph manner. Let's take a data label over here. Okay, so this is my graph. So how actually look like? Anyone can explain what is the manner of this graph? What is the manner of this graph?
Non-linear.
कैसा दिख रहा है आपको? स्मार्ट दिख रहा है? कैसा दिख रहा है? बोलो चलो फटाफट. What is the manner of this graph? चलो अब बताओ. What is the manner of this graph?
टोटल एलिमेंट्स वर्सेस काउंटर का ग्राफ नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे हम.
नहीं, just for counter. This total element that I have mentioned the elements in my program, right? तो जैसे मैंने 5 लिखा था तो उसका काउंटर आई थिंक 10 या पता नहीं क्या आया. लेट मी चेक. या 10 आया था. तो टोटल एलिमेंट्स और वर्सेस काउंटर नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू चेक द काउंटर रेशियो ओनली, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ टोटल एलिमेंट पे ही हमें काउंटर वैल्यू मिल रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर पुटिंग.
पर मैम टोटल एलिमेंट्स अगर हम सफल कर देंगे तो ग्राफ फिर से सफल हो जाएगा, लेकिन ग्राफ तो एक ही मैनर में होना चाहिए ना.
Correct, Irfan. So that's why what I'm saying that I am not doing the analysis. I'm just putting the random value over here. मैंने कोई analysis करके नहीं डाला है, मैंने random डाला है. What I'm saying, what is the manner of this graph? I'm asking about graph manner. Slightly curve, we can say. Yes or no? Slightly curve, we can say. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the basic idea? I'm just taking random value. Now you have to check a total element from start from 3, 4, 5, 6 and check the counter value. And then check that what is the graph manner, right? So if it is slightly curved, so we can say that it is worst case analysis. If I'm talking about the base case, so if your element in a increasing order, जैसे कि अगर आपकी counter value 4, 5, 6, 7, अगर आपका graph static आ रहा है, like linear आ रहा है, so whenever you find that your graph manner is linear, so that time we can say that this is the best case analysis. So possibly है कि कभी कभी आपको increase order में value मिले, जैसे counter value 4 है, 6 है, 8 है, 10 है, right? So that is depend on your element, what element you are passing in the bubble sort algorithm, right? So that is not predefined, we can't say that. So sometimes that is depend on the element. So if I'm putting good element and my counter value is static, so I found the linear, that time I can say that for these result, for this element my value is linear, so that's why I can say that that is the base case. But if in this case this is the slightly curve, so I for these element this is gives the worst case result, right? तो कोई fix नहीं होता है कि always worst case मिलेगा, always base case मिलेगा. So you have to just check according to the element. Getting? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, मैं आपको क्लियरली सुन नहीं पा रही हूँ, तो प्लीज ड्रॉप इन चैट मैसेज इन चैट बॉक्स. So conclusion, we can say that here we can conclude the implementing analysis from the bubble sort. So for the base case we have an order of n, right? And for average case or worst case we have order of n square complexity. So that's we have to write. Okay. Next is selection sort. Can anyone explain about the selection sort? कैसे वर्क करेगा? तब तक मैं उसका प्रोग्रामिंग लिख लेती हूँ. बबल शॉट कैसे वर्क करेगा? चलो, सॉरी बबल शॉट हो गया. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट? सिलेक्शन शॉट. सिलेक्शन शॉट आपको आंसर देना है. सिलेक्शन शॉट कैसे वर्क करता है? यू डोंट नो हाउ एक्चुअली एल्गोरिथम वर्क्स, तो हाउ कैन आई टीच यू? कैसे मुझे पता, कैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि इसमें ऐसा होता है और ये आउटपुट आना चाहिए?
मैम सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट में हम कोई भी मतलब एक एलिमेंट चूज करेंगे जो मतलब ज्यादातर हम मिनिमम एलिमेंट चूज करते हैं, पर अगर मैक्सिमम करना है तो भी हम कर सकते हैं. मान लो कि हमने कोई मिनिमम एलिमेंट चूज कर लिया और अब हम क्या करेंगे कि उसको उसकी एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन पे लगा देंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमने सबसे मिनिमम ले लिया, उसको फर्स्ट पे लगा दिया, उसके बाद सेकंड मिनिमम फाइंड किया, उसको सेकंड पे लगा दिया, ऐसे वो एरे सॉर्ट हो जाएगा.
Okay, good. So in this selection sort and insertion sort, you have to do the same procedure, right? Basically, bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort, everything which is depend on the number of elements, right? So you have to put the counter in your program only, and then check the how many number of elements and what will get the counter value, right? तो always वो differ हो सकती है based your element. तो किसी का static आया है, किसी का curve आया है, किसी का slightly curve आया है, तो that not mean कि उसका graph wrong है. Right, everything which is past parameters means past value, right? So that not mean कि अगर किसी का कर्व आ रहा है तो बाकी जिसका straight आया है, so that is गलत. So that is not wrong actually, that is depend on the element, right? So same things you have to maintain in every case. Try to make two table for the worst case and best case. For the worst case you can take a random value, and in the base case you can try to put the value in increasing or static decreasing manner, right? तो ऐसे value डालो कोई counter value आपकी ऐसी है, वो इंक्रीजिंग या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में आए. सो यू कैन से दैट दिस इज द सिनेरियो वेयर वी गेट दिस static value linear graph, right? So that is base case. So let's take a 5 element again. Here again I'm putting the counter value at the same location. Again I'm putting the counter value at the same location, right? Okay, so I'm not going to change. Here the counter is like 0 only, and let's take a element. So I'm putting the random element 5. 5, 1, 3, and 4. Right, and I'll get the sorted list over here, as I mentioned, 1 2 3 4, and the counter value for this. See, again, in this previous example we have taken a 5 element and we have a counter value is 10, right? So same graph you have to maintain total element and what you have in the counter value, right? So make a base case scenario and worst case scenario for insertion sort also. And then last one is the what is the last one?
Insertion sort.
Yes, okay. So
Insertion sort.
you have to follow. This is for the selection. You have to follow do for the selection sort. So that is not definable that in this element we are taking we get this graph, right? Understand? So try to put a linear graph so that base case scenario and worst case के लिए आप कुछ भी random ले सकते हो. So that is not necessary कि ऐसा curve ही आना चाहिए, slightly curve ही आना चाहिए. Okay? Understand?
Yes. ma'am.
Now do it. Okay, just add it and run it and take a different sample example. And snapshot सिर्फ एक ही रखना है, but elements ज़्यादा डालने हैं टेबल में 5 6 होने चाहिए. So then you are able to identify the graph. Now start working on it. After complete it, drop the message in chat box.
Oh, okay. ma'am.
Our practical is done. What are you doing, all of you? And time is also over. So I request to all of you complete the task today only and upload in the given link. Okay, I'll check it tomorrow. So make sure you complete the task today only. Just a second, I'm taking attendance. After that, you may leave. Okay, now you may leave, all of you. Thank you.